I'll give you a tour of my garden, saka yung famous na bayabas. I want to show you my bonsai collection first. Ayan. Yan aking mga bonsai, aking therapy. And this side, kita nyo yung aking bonsai garden din dito sa kabila. And these are the other plants, the bonsai trees that I have. You see, I have a mango tree, and I have the dalanghita. You'll see the fruits. Ayan, yan, close up. Okay. Ayan yung katabi ng itong my famous bayabas. Makita nyo dito yung branches ayan, nakita nyo yung branches masyado ng baluktot because of the fruits na mga malalaki hindi kaya. Ayan, see this is a small tree about 3 years old. Nakita nyo yung mga fruits nya. Ayan, yan. This is where I got the giant guava tree. Ayun, meron pang isa roon na mas sa taas. You'll see marami siyang bunga, and unfortunately because of you'll see the branches na they bend because the fruits are so big, hindi makaya. So ayan, these are the fruits. Nakita nyo, this is a big one also. Ayan, so many fruits pa rin. Ayan, this is my guava tree. And then this side, my orange tree. Tingnan nyo yung orange fruit ko, malalaki din. See? These are bigger than what you see at the background, which is the tree from my neighbor, and full of oranges all around.